Look at little Nibs the raccoon. After playing in the muddy garden dirt, his fluffy paws are covered in brown soil. It is time to make those paws sparkly clean again. Step 1 is wet your paws. Nibs turns on the tap and puts his hands under the warm running water until they are completely wet. Step 2 is soap up. Nibs takes a squeeze of bubbly soap and rubs it between his palms to make soft white bubbles. Step 3 is scrub. Scrub, scrub. Nibs rubs the backs of his hands between his fingers and under his tiny fingernails while singing a happy tune. Keep scrubbing for 20 seconds. Nibs scrubs and rubs every little spot to make sure all the garden dirt washes right off. Step 4 is rinse away. Nibs holds his soapy paws under fresh running water and watches all the soap bubbles wash down the drain. Step 5 is dry completely. Nibs grabs a soft, clean towel and pats his paws dry until they are nice and warm. Hooray! Nibs has clean, happy paws ready for snack time. Washing hands after garden play is easy and fun for everyone.